How to remove friends on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually remove your friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove your friends or best friends on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply open the Snapchat application first. Then you'll just come to this page where you have to tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left hand side of the screen, and then you'll come to this page again, where if you scroll down you'll have the option called my friends, right? So you can just go to my friends. Now when you go to my friends, all you need to do is simply long press on a specific people that you want to remove as a friend, and then here you'll find manage friendship button. So you can just tap on the manage friendship option here, and then here you'll find three options: to report or block or to remove them as a friend. So to remove this person as my friend, I just need to click the remove friend button in order to be able to do so, and I can repeat the process for any of the other friends that I want to remove from my Snapchat. This is simply how you can remove friends on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.